Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create polls on Twitter app. Once you create a poll and ask your audience to vote, you can easily do it. Just follow these steps and you will learn how. Open up Twitter app and make sure to log into your Twitter profile. Click on the tweet icon to create new tweet. Now click on the poll icon below. Type in your question. Now type in possible answers to your questions. Set poll length. I will just set it to run for 2 days. Afterwards, click on Tweet at the top right corner of your screen. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create polls on Twitter app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.